I was born with congenital dislocated hips, which they say can be related. And early in my life I had some kidney problems, which again they say are all related because of the endocrine disruption. The reproductive system is completely deformed within most DES daughters. So you will often find people will have tilted uteruses. I specifically had a very elongated cervix and then very short vagina area. And it is a deformity. DES daughters are plagued with infertility and pregnancy loss, early births, etc. So I'm very blessed. I gave birth to a daughter. She's about to be 21. But I also lost a child quite late on as well. So pregnancy is a big issue. Obviously, when my mum was prescribed it, she was completely unaware of any harm at all. It was her first pregnancy, and a doctor who obviously she trusted suggested, that she take this medicine. I had several operations. When I was a kid, I lived in these, I had these splints on my legs, and my mum, she was such a perfectionist. She used to dress me in all the pictures of me. Very wide skirts, because she wanted to cover over the splints and everything. So if this drug is powerful enough to be an endocrine disruptor that disrupts a reproductive system, that affects your heart, that affects your kidneys, then why wouldn't it affect your brain?